Hello friends, welcome to Data Vortex Hub. This video to loading data into Tableau. Open that through Microsoft Excel option here, so I'm going to tap on that. I have provided a sample data in Telegram channel. Grab a file and then show you a preview of your data in the table format. Our data has all of these columns. We have salesperson, country, product, date, amount, and box for shipping. This is chocolate business, so these salespeople have shipped these kinds of chocolates to various countries, and the dates available here. And that is how much money they have generated, and that is how many boxes they have shipped. Given this information, let's analyze this with Tableau and understanding the whole process. So this is the data view within Tableau. If you have got multiple tables or multiple data sets coming, you can kind of connect the data and do a little bit of data modeling here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Tableau tutorials and data-related content. Stay tuned for upcoming videos where we dive deeper into advanced Tableau features and tips. Thanks for watching and happy data exploring. Bye-bye friends, see you next video.